Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence, which His Highness the Emir of the State of Qatar has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the Ambassador of the State of Qatar to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I'm very pleased to receive your credentials. I welcome you most warmly to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a very happy and successful mission. Please convey to His Highness the Emir and the people of the State of Qatar our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Congratulations, Ambassador, Your Excellency.
Thank you very much.
So nice to
Thank you very much.
to receive you.
It is my honor to be with you in this beautiful day.
Thank you, sir.
And His Highness really express his best wishes to you, to your people, and to the relation between Qatar and the Republic of Fiji to progress in every field.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Oh my God. Yeah, Excellency. So very nice. Oh my God. How wonderful. Thank you, sir.